Ford might be sitting on the biggest powertrain secret in truck history, and it centers on the 2027 F-150. For decades, this truck has dominated sales charts across America, and every redesign brings massive expectations from loyal buyers. Now, as the industry looks ahead to the 2027 model year, whispers about a major engine overhaul have exploded across the pickup community. Fresh leaks hint that Ford is not just giving the F-150 a simple facelift. Instead, the company may be preparing one of the most substantial powertrain transformations it has attempted in years. Ford has not confirmed these details publicly, but a combination of prototype sightings, supplier chatter, and the automakers' continued investment in gasoline engine development tells a compelling story. If these leaks hold up, the next F-150 could bring better long-term reliability, stronger towing numbers, improved fuel economy, and an even broader spread of engine options for buyers to choose from. Let's break down everything currently circulating. For years now, Ford has offered one of the most varied engine lineups in the entire truck segment, giving customers far more choice than most rivals. Right now, shoppers can pick between the turbocharged 2.7L EcoBoost V6, the widely loved 3.5L EcoBoost V6, the naturally aspirated 5.0L Coyote V8, and the specialized high-performance engines reserved for the Raptor and Raptor R. Sources close to the supply chain believe Ford intends to sharpen nearly all of these existing engines rather than scrap them for something entirely new. One of the loudest rumors involves the next chapter for the 3.5L EcoBoost V6. This engine already holds a strong reputation as one of the most capable towing options in the half-ton category. Thanks to its impressive low-end torque, it has become the go-to pick for owners who frequently haul heavy trailers or boats. According to supplier leaks, Ford's engineering teams have reportedly been testing changes to the turbocharger's intercooling setup, along with adjustments to the combustion process itself. These revisions could sharpen throttle response, cut down on turbo lag, and boost the engine's durability over time. Some insiders are even pointing to a modest horsepower bump without hurting fuel economy. Another engine rumored for meaningful upgrades is the 2.7L EcoBoost. This smaller displacement engine often gets overlooked, yet it consistently impresses reviewers with how it performs in real-world conditions. Its compact graphite iron block paired with a twin-turbo layout allows it to produce strong torque while still delivering excellent fuel efficiency. Leaked information points toward revised fuel injection software, upgraded cooling parts, and new emissions hardware built to satisfy tougher regulations while keeping performance intact. For everyday drivers, this could turn the smallest EcoBoost into an even more appealing option. Arguably, the most exciting rumor concerns the legendary 5.0L Coyote V8. Even though turbocharged engines continue leading in sales, demand for a naturally aspirated V8 truck remains surprisingly steady. Plenty of traditional truck owners still value the straightforward design, the sound, and the long-term dependability that comes with the Coyote engine. Industry watchers believe Ford recognizes just how important these loyal V8 customers are to the F-150's overall success. Rather than phasing the engine out, leaked reports suggest smaller-scale improvements are on the way, potentially including revised valve timing, updated engine tuning, and better thermal management. These changes could sharpen fuel economy while keeping that classic V8 feel fully intact. Hybrid technology is also expected to see serious attention. The PowerBoost hybrid has already shown that adding electrification doesn't have to come at the cost of capability. By pairing the EcoBoost engine with an electric motor, Ford built a truck that delivers quick acceleration alongside strong fuel savings. According to the 2027 leaks, Ford might be boosting battery efficiency and refining the software that governs the hybrid system. That could mean smoother handoffs between gas and electric power, along with a possible increase in the electrical output available through the truck's built-in Pro Power generator. For tradespeople, campers, and anyone needing backup power, this remains one of the F-150's standout features. Beyond raw performance numbers, reliability seems to be a top priority for engineers. Ford has dealt with criticism over engine-related problems across several vehicle lines over the past decade. While many owners report trouble-free experiences, Ford is still working to rebuild trust through continuous design refinements. Leaked engineering documents reportedly place heavy emphasis on cooling performance, oil flow, turbocharger durability, and improved sealing components. None of these upgrades will make flashy headlines, but they tend to matter far more when it comes to long-term ownership costs. Emissions compliance is another interesting piece of this leak. Regulations around the world keep tightening, pushing manufacturers to boost efficiency without giving up performance. Ford appears to be chasing cleaner combustion primarily through software tuning rather than cutting engine output. This strategy could allow the 2027 F-150 to stay competitive on emissions without drastically altering how the truck actually drives. Transmission upgrades may arrive alongside these engine changes. Ford's 10-speed automatic has become a key part of its truck lineup, offering quick shifts and strong towing performance. Some insiders believe calibration work is underway to smooth out shifting under heavy loads while also improving highway fuel economy. Even minor software tweaks like these can noticeably improve everyday driving feel. Cooling capacity is another major talking point tied to this leak. Prototype trucks have reportedly been spotted wearing unusually large camouflage panels up front, leading some observers to suspect bigger radiators, intercoolers, or reworked airflow systems are in development. Better cooling could translate directly into improved towing performance, particularly during brutal summer heat. That upgrade would be especially useful for owners regularly towing campers, horse trailers, or heavy equipment. The Raptor lineup continues fueling speculation as well, even though no major engine swap has been officially confirmed. Enthusiasts believe Ford is fine-tuning the high-output EcoBoost engine while continuing to develop the supercharged V8 found in the Raptor R. Ford's performance division has consistently prioritized off-road durability, suggesting future updates will likely focus on toughness under extreme conditions, rather than simply chasing bigger horsepower figures. Technology integration is expected to play a bigger role than ever before. Modern engines depend on advanced management systems that constantly track hundreds of operating variables. Leaks suggest Ford could introduce faster processing hardware capable of making sharper, more precise adjustments to ignition timing, fuel delivery, turbo boost, and thermal management. Drivers may never notice these changes directly, but they can meaningfully improve both efficiency and long-term reliability. Fuel economy remains a major focus area for Ford as well. Even buyers who prioritize towing capacity still appreciate spending less time at the pump. By refining combustion efficiency, transmission tuning, and aerodynamics all at once, Ford could deliver noticeable, if modest, improvements in real-world fuel consumption. Over years of ownership, these small gains add up significantly. Competition inside the full-size truck market has never been fiercer. The Chevrolet Silverado keeps evolving with updated gas and diesel offerings. GMC Sierra buyers now expect premium technology paired with serious capability. Ram is reportedly preparing new powertrain strategies of its own. While Toyota continues refining its turbocharged Tundra lineup with rivals pushing this hard, Ford simply cannot afford to stand still. The 2027 F-150 needs to strike a careful balance between fresh innovation and the proven dependability that truck buyers have come to expect. Perhaps the biggest overall takeaway from this leak is that Ford seems focused on refining every corner of its current lineup, rather than gambling on drastic, unproven changes. That approach makes sense given the circumstances. The current F-150 already boasts one of the widest engine selections in its class, and refining a proven platform tends to produce stronger long-term reliability than launching something completely new from scratch. It's worth remembering that much of this remains unconfirmed. Prototype testing, supplier leaks, internal documents, and industry speculation often shift before a vehicle actually reaches production. Ford could still adjust specifications, power figures, or even which engines make the final cut before the truck's official reveal. Until Ford makes things official, every detail floating around right now should be treated as preliminary rather than guaranteed. Even so, the mounting evidence points toward a 2027 Ford F-150 that represents a carefully refined evolution rather than a dramatic reinvention. Buyers should likely expect sharper EcoBoost engines, continued support for the beloved 5.0L Coyote V8, upgrades to the PowerBoost hybrid system, improved cooling and transmission tuning, and a heavier emphasis on long-term durability across the board. If these expectations play out as leaked, the 2027 Ford F-150 won't just hold its position as one of the most capable full-size pickups on the market today. It could end up becoming one of the most refined, well-rounded, and dependable trucks Ford has ever produced. And for millions of loyal, longtime owners across the country, that would be a very welcome outcome indeed.